to me. Lord, you are so precious to me, and I love you. Yes, I love you because you first loved me. Jesus, ikaw mahal ko gayon. Jesus, ikaw mahal ko gayon. Gihigugma ka kahit